Mexican-born Canadian 19-year-old Ricardo Magic Man Salas will be seeking to be the second overseas boxer to win the Red Nephew Contender Series when he takes on three-time finalist Jamaican Richard Frog Holmes over 10 rounds tonight at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Spencer Darlington has our preview.
The battle-hardened Ricardo Magic Man Salas of Canada will be aiming to join 2016 champion American DeMarcus Chop Chop Corley as the only non-Jamaicans to win the Contender Series title. The technically sound Mexican-born 19-year-old who racked up 89 amateur bouts before turning professional is seeking his 11th career win from 12 fights. The powerful Salas, who floored his three previous opponents en route to Wednesday night's final against three-time finalist Richard Frog Holmes, intends to beat the Jamaican inside 5 rounds.
Mental y físicamente para ganar.
He comes really good prepared, physically and mentally, and he's going to win.
Pues perfecto. Si no, pues ganar por decisión.
It was unexpected until now, so if it happens, it happens. He's just going to be focused on winning this game.
Contrastingly, Frog Holmes, who has only done enough to get past his 3 previous opponents to reach his 3rd final in 4 years, will be looking to outbox the Canadian.
Well, let him come, I'm here, you know what I'm saying? But as I never say, as Jamaican, I tell him, say, yo, don't count him egg before it hatch, because it cause problem. You know, I expect Salas to come and fight as Salas, you know, Holmes going to come and fight at Holmes, you know. As I say before, you know, anything he come with to throw at me, I'm ready, you know. I'm prepared for anything he got to throw at me, huh?
With the final scheduled for 10 rounds, Jamaican trainer Carl Grant says Frog Holmes is prepared to go the distance.
Listen to me, the kid get better in every fight, if you can see. And now we have nothing to worry about. Richard just need to approach the fight as how we deal with it in the gym. And at the end of the day, we're going to have Richard and up in the air.
2-time Contender Series champion SAKIMA Mr. Smooth Mullings will seek his 26th career win when he faces Mexican Alejandro Herrera in a 6-round junior middleweight fight.
The game's to be sold, not told, so I'm not going to let out too much. But obviously, he's the bigger man in the fight, so we're going to respect the size factor, and probably, you know, we're going to use a lot of movement and angles to win this fight.
The 36-year-old Mexican, who has a record of 18 wins, 8 defeats, and 2 drawn results, is also confident of victory.
Va la victoria para México.
He's completely 100% prepared, and he is going to give the victory to Mexico.
Beaten quarterfinalist Nico Yeo and veteran Ricardo Planter will square off in a 6-round middleweight contest.
I have a lot more fight, and I don't really business if I have a lot more fight. I'm just coming to fight and do my best, but box smart. I'm a natural boxer, so by doing that, probably get some boxing lesson. But the most important thing is to win, so that's the whole thing.
TVJ will have live coverage of the final starting at 9:30 p.m.